What's up, traders? This is Trader TV Sean. In our new environment, let's talk about meme stocks today. How wild were these stocks? Absolutely insane. And we knew it was going to be something. Coming in here yesterday and seeing GameStop and AMC absolutely rip upside, we knew there was going to be some trades today. But was today a FOMO day? Let's take to the charts and have a quick look. I mean, we knew yesterday that heading into the pre-market and post-market, we could have a little bit of a wild ride. Yesterday, we closed at $30.60 here on GameStop, and then today, we get all the way as high as $80 almost in the pre-market. We hit $79, $80 as a top, as it just keeps on going. Traders wake up and say hello, all the way up there to $80. But look what happens. We don't know what's going to happen here once the day opens up. The problem with AMC and GME, there's so many traders in this. We've seen this happen before to these meme names. So what's going to happen next? I felt always like there was a chance for this to run, but unfortunately today, it looks like the shorts are starting to cash in. I mean, look at GameStop right here now. This is a current 3-minute chart. We are at its day's lows as we record this at 108, trying to break down through $40. And look at this big, huge volume spike as we take out the low of the day there at $45, $46 and continue to go down. For me, we shorted this top. We just took a $14 winner, which is great trade on the short side, but we had tried longs earlier, failed a little bit, did get that break spot there, right there at 57. As soon as we lost that, that was the end of these pre-market levels, and we haven't really been back there except for a fade. So GameStop today, unfortunately, worrying kitty, and the fans out there a little disappointed. Are we over? Potentially not. But let's go back over. Still up 33%, right? But if you're playing the options game, it's a tough one as we look. Because if you look at the daily chart here for GameStop right here, right now, look at this move. Just 3, 4, 5 days ago last week, we're into $11 and $12. I mean, what a monster move we see. So the thing is, if you're not involved down here, unfortunately, the cost of options and the price of the volatility that you're going to wind up paying, that premium is going to be extended. So when you come in today and you're saying, oh my gosh, I've got these options, well, it's gonna have to move significantly for you because they're priced on past prior moves. And if you're trading GameStop in here 12, 13, 14 back from December, January, February, March, and you're trading options, you're probably noticing relatively calm down volatility. Once we start going the last couple days, last week, started to pick up. That was a sign of something to come. If you're going to look over here at AMC, unfortunately, this one has really had some issues raising capital and getting depleted with stock offerings, splits, and whatnot. Now you get all the way down to $2.88. So today when we wake up and see AMC, let's go to see what it was doing today. You could see today we got up to $13. This stock, guys, was just $3 not too long ago, as you could see right down into there, $3, $4 right down there for AMC back in early May, late May, mid-May. We're only mid-May right now. And as you could see, AMC today, again, it had a day in the morning right there. As soon as the machines get turned on at 7 o'clock, we ripped all the way to $13. But what happened? That was basically the best we could get. And the thing is that don't get fooled by the fact that these are meme stocks. You can see that we double topped right here, the top of the morning. So we double topped up here at 13. When the market opened, we had never seen that level again, but there was still shorting opportunities. I mean, even if you didn't get caught in that 10-10-50 area, you did have another opportunity right there to 10-30. I currently right now am short this name, as I believe we could be in another halt area. We've just halted right there, breaking through 650. And again, just a downside move for AMC. So today, although it was a super fun day to trade, you had to be careful. You had to pay for shorts early. You have to make sure that your broker has those shorts. Follow us and watch us trade every single day, and especially on these exciting days with meme stocks. I've been trading today AMC. Neil's been on BlackBerry, NVAX. I've been on GME. Those are my two main ones. There's so many to watch. You can get it all live trading with Trader TV Live. Hit the like and subscribe on YouTube.